Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you multiple ways on how to fix your Snapchat from saying that something went wrong and you need to try again later. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. The first thing you can do is to open up Settings. You can then select General by scrolling down a little bit, and then you want to find iPhone Storage. Once you're here, you can either search it or just scroll down, but you want to find Snapchat. From here, all you want to do is click Offload App and then reinstall it. This does not get rid of any of your data. All it does is just try to make the app run smoother and get rid of some things that are just taking away space to make space for other things. So another thing you could do is if you go down on the right side of your screen, you could turn off your Wi-Fi. Sometimes this helps because your Wi-Fi might not be running the best, and sometimes this could just involve Snapchat on not being able to load anything. Another thing you could do is try to turn your phone off and turn it back on. I do this with a lot of things, and my phone is not running that smoothly. The last thing I could tell you to do to fix your problems is to hold down the Snapchat app like this, and then you can remove the app. And then once you get rid of the app, you can go to the App Store, find Snapchat, and then reinstall it, log back in, and see if these problems are still happening on Snapchat. So I hope one of these methods did help you. If they did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if you want me to make any more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.